Hey there, foodies and aspiring chefs. Welcome back to our educational cooking series where we explore the delicious world of food and beverage. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of Tuffet cake. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1½ cups sugar, 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. For large eggs, 1 cup whole milk, 1 tbsp vanilla extract. To TSP baking powder, a pinch of salt. Fondant for decoration, food coloring optional. Edible pearls or decorations, instructions. Preheat the oven. Set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease your cake pans. Make the batter. In a large bowl, cream the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, then mix in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the flour, baking powder, and salt, alternating with the milk. Mix until smooth. Bake the cake. Pour the batter into your prepared pans and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool completely before decorating. Decorate the cake. Once cooled, carve the cakes to resemble a round cushion. Cover with fondant, smoothing it out to mimic the soft, plush look of a tuffet. Add any additional decorations like edible pearls or piping for that extra touch of elegance. Final touches: arrange the finished Tuffet cake on a beautiful cake stand and get ready to wow your guests.